Hello my friend, what's up? Ivan here and watching Net Money YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can get an Airtel Money MasterCard. Now this is very important, especially on this channel, whereby we try to find ways of monetizing the internet. And you can't find ways of monetizing the internet if you don't have the means of collecting payments from online, or you don't have means of buying things online. So you don't need a bank account for you to get a MasterCard. So you can just use the money which is available on your Airtel Money, and you shop conveniently or receive payments directly to your Airtel Money via that MasterCard that you can link to your Airtel Money. So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Stay till the end. Right, so to get that MasterCard, all you have to do is to get to your dial pad and then type in *185#. All right, then you use the number where you want to get the MasterCard. So after doing that, you select option 7, which is financial services. So you type in option 7, send, and then you see option 9. They are telling us to something it's to do with the Airtel Money MasterCard, and that's what we do right there. We say option 9. All right, option 9, they are telling us either option 1, get a card, option 2, my card details, and then option 3, delete card. So if you want a new card, so type in option 1, type in your pin. So if when
so you your pin, so you see a message telling you it is successful, it has been successfully processed, and you come here. Okay, you see this link, so they will send you a message like this: dear customer, your MasterCard dash is ready for use, click on this. Okay, so when you click on this, they will ask you to provide is the OTP that has been sent to your line. So the request OTP. OTP means one-time password. So they send it and you can only use it once. Okay. So the OTP is there. You just copy it here, and then something like 1177. Okay, something like that. And then when you put in your pin, you put show. It will be shown to you, which looks something like this. Okay, so you'll be seeing here you'll be seeing your CVV, your card number, expiry date, and then your name, which looks something like which is like a real MasterCard. And you can see this is Airtel Money. So this is basically how you get your MasterCard. So you can use this to link it to PayPal. You can use this to shop online. You can do this to receive payments, to collect payments from online, pretty much everything. All right, so that's how you get a MasterCard. It is completely free of charge and takes a very few simple steps for you to claim a new card. Hope that works. So guys, hope that helps. I wish to see you in the next video. I love you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like, because on this channel we try to find ways of monetizing the internet, or in fact in all possible ways. So be sure to subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next video, which pops up almost every single week. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me see you in the comments. I love you. Bye bye.